Hello friends, how are you all? Good to be back again. Welcome to my channel. It's a good evening. So, just welcoming you again to have another recipe which I tried today, and it was my first time, so just wanted to try it in the air fryer. So, let's get started, friends. So friends, over here I'm taking chicken breast, which is from the Kroger brand. So it's boneless, skinless, and it says with rib meat. So let's get started, friends. We'll do the recipe with the chicken breast in the air fryer. Friends, I have taken three chicken breast. Here I have taken 2 eggs and I added salt and paprika. This is breadcrumbs and I added some oregano and basil and all. And this is regular wheat flour. And now I am adding some onion, granulated onions. Just a bit of powder. Just measure it in your hands like so much. It will be like 1 teaspoon. So I add that. Friends, this is granulated garlic, so I add this also like half a spoon. Friends, now I whisk it. I whisk it well. I whisk it actually with my hands well. So here I am whisking well and it will get stirred well. Now I'll be doing the breaded chicken breast in the air fryer. So just put a parchment paper. I'm dipping this in the egg. And I'm rubbing it well so that it gets coated well with all the spices and all. And then I dip it in the wheat flour. So I dip it well in the wheat flour. And I go again in the chicken in the batter so that it gives an extra crisp. Now I'm going on the breadcrumbs. I put it inside and I already dropped it in. So I'll take the second one and do the same thing too. Friends, I'm showing you a second one also, and you can proceed, keep on doing the process repeatedly, and you can do how much ever you have. So again, I'm doing it on the wheat flour, and I coat it. And again, I do it in the breadcrumbs. And these breadcrumbs you can make at home by yourself only, friends. It will be much more easier, and with the bread which you are left out like the last one. So you can do it. Again, I'm going to put it in the air fryer. And there's room only for 2. So I'll just start it. See, friends. Keep it on 400. So I have kept it on 400. And I've kept it all the way from to at least 20 minutes. It became 30 minutes, but in between of 30 minutes, when it reaches to 15, I'm going to midway open it and twist it around. I'll turn it around, and it's asking me whether it is steak, fries. I'll say it's meat for 400. So it's already on, friends. So you see this green light? So that says that the chicken is getting cooked, and we'll check back in 15 minutes, friends. Friends, now it's 15 minutes. We'll open it now. See, friends, it came out like this. I think we'll twist it. It's hot. So I better get a spoon or a fork and try to twist it. Here, friends. So this is how it looks. I'll just twist it. Oh, it's too hot. I twisted it, friends. Did you see this? Here, friends. I twisted the other one too. I twisted. Let me just put this back again, and it will get cooked. And it started. Here, friends, it started already. Friends, I'm removing it for the last time now. Here, friends, it came out like this. So looks like it's already cooked. So I'll try to cut and show you. It's come out well. The chicken breast really looks good and juicy. I'll take it out and show you with the knife how it gets cut. I'll try to cut and show you how juicy it looks. Oh, it's cooked so well. Breasted chicken breast. It's really, see how well the knife is getting poked, and you can see the juice coming out. See, friends, it's come out so well. It's getting cut so well. Friends, try the first bite. See how it looks juicy, how the smoke is coming out. It's really yummy. I think with the sandwich it will come out more good. Doing the second batch of it. So it got shook, no problem. So I'll put the remaining batter a little bit so that it gets coated well. Got cooked well on this side. Let's twist this. So now I take it, I twisted it. I turn this also. See, all the juices fallen here, friends. It looks like it's cooked halfway. So let's cook the other half and I'll show you, friends. Also got cooked. So here it is. It looks so good. It's cooked well. I should only pick it out. See the crispy part, friends. It's come out really good. It's shrunk in size. See, friends, it's so good. After this, you just take this and thrash it. And it's cooked well. I can show you again with the knife. So here it is. See, friends, it's cutting so well. It got cut easily and nicely, friends. See? See, friends, how juicy it looks. Enjoy. I hope it comes out the way I cooked at your place too, and you remember me when it's cooked at your place. You'll really say, wow, the chicken breasts are really good to eat. Now I'll show you how to wash the air fryer. It's already not that bad, but still it gets bad. So let's show you how to wash the air fryer. So it's just a regular wash. You just take the soapy scrub, just scrub it. Just give it a good scrub inside from all the sides. Just swirl around with your fingers. See, this is how it is, friends. So just go back also. Just rub it off. And already rinsed. So the net is already done. The mesh and this one. So this is already cleaned. So I'll show you how to wash the down part now. The down fryer body. Outer part of it. So it was already soaked well. See, friends, how much of brown crumbs it leaves. So just give it a good rinse here also. Just rub it inside and outside. So friends, how well it is clean, and it's all ready for the next time. So friends, till next time I'll come up with another recipe. So let's see how other things come out, like fry, steak or something. Of course, I don't eat steak and beef and all. So, but I'll show you something in vegetarian, friends. So, just wait and watch. Keep watching, friends. You saw how easy it was to make, and it didn't take much of oil, nothing, no much commotion, nothing. You didn't have to have much in the house, just all the things from your pantry. It was good, and I enjoyed making it for you guys. So I hope you make it too, and if you liked it, please like, share and comment. I'll be glad to answer any of your questions. So please, friends, take care. Good night. Love you all. Bye.